Hey there, it's Vicki Marie, and I am on my way back from the gym today. I did a full body workout and feeling pretty good. I'm tired though. The high here is in the hundreds. We're up in the record-breaking hundreds for us, for our community. So I'm just eager to get home. I thought about going over to Walmart or something. I was talking to my sister-in-law and a friend of mine also as well about just some of the, like, they were noticing some shortages when they went to the store, so they were going to run out and stock up on things, and but I'm just too tired today, so I don't know. Let me know, guys, what are you experiencing, like, really in your areas, in your stores, because I'm not somebody who wants, I'm all about the high vibes, but keeping it real. I also am a realist, you know, and I know some communities are sort of running out of certain things. We didn't have any milk at one point, and then one day I went and there was no bread, and then I mean, like, different times there are different I'm going the speed limit and people are just going around me like I'm standing still today. I don't care. I'm going at my own pace today. I'm not gonna speed up just because they want to speed. So I'm just not. So anyway, let me know. But honestly, I just really want to share with you my camping trip. So that's what we're going to roll here, a little clip I put together of our camping trip. We went up to Browns Creek, and I'm not going to show a lot about that because I've shown that before on other videos. You guys have seen it's the same site that we like to go to. I've been there twice and vlogged about it. I will show you a little clip of a quick little drive up with some nice pictures. It rained. That was new. So I'm going to share a quick little as we drive up, and then I'm going to share a clip with us cooking breakfast. We were with some friends, and I didn't want to show them on camera so much, but you'll get sort of, you'll see their dog Noah and our dog Roscoe together, and Roscoe had a buddy this time. And then also after that, you'll see that the third little clip is of us spending the day in Salida. So Salida, Colorado. We really had a good time. We spent the day there, and such a lovely town, and they have international, like, they're internationally known for their kayak event that goes on every year. It's called the Fib Arc, and anyway, but they just have such a nice little town, and you can you'll see, because you're going to see this clip. So let me roll that right here. Hey, mister. Well, this guy won't talk back to me. Salida, and that's Browns Creek, and that, I guess you might call that glamping, I guess, rather than camping. We had such a good time, and so I really just wanted to share that with you guys today. Again, let me know how you're doing. Let me know how your store shelves are looking. If I need to go out and get supplies, I will, but I am working on just storing a few things, and just things are kind of, you know, strange. So I'm trying to make sure that, I mean, we're not going to starve. I know that. So not anytime soon. So, all right, guys, we're keeping those good vibes going. We're keeping it real. And we're also having conversations that matter. That's, you know, that's what I want to do here on my channel. So let me know how you're doing. How's your bread supply looking? How is your, because somebody told me they were having trouble getting bread. How's your bread supply? How are your eggs, your milk, your basic stuff? Are you able to find it easily on your shelves? I'm really curious. So, and let me know where you're from. All right, guys, that's my video today. I hope you're doing well. Keep those good vibes going, those high vibes going. We're all in this together. We're better together. Life's a team sport, right? Take good care. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you? Wanna see